flaxseed oil, derived from the seeds of the flax plant, has garnered attention for its impressive array of health benefits. This golden oil is packed with essential fatty acids, particularly omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to numerous medical advantages. Let's explore the remarkable benefits of flaxseed oil and why it deserves a spot in your wellness routine. Rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. One of the standout features of flaxseed oil is its high content of alpha-linolenic acid ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3s are renowned for their heart health benefits, including reducing inflammation and lowering blood pressure. Regular consumption of flaxseed oil can support cardiovascular health by improving cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of heart disease. ALA has also been shown to play a role in preventing the buildup of plaque in the arteries, promoting overall heart function. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a significant contributor to various health problems, including arthritis, heart disease, and even some cancers. Flaxseed oil's omega-3 content can help combat inflammation in the body. Studies have shown that ALA can reduce markers of inflammation, making it a promising natural remedy for inflammatory conditions. By including flaxseed oil in your diet, you may experience improved joint health and reduced symptoms of inflammatory diseases. Digestive health booster. Flaxseed oil is also known for its positive effects on digestive health. It acts as a laxative, helping to alleviate constipation and promote regular bowel movements. The oil's high fiber content, when combined with its ability to lubricate the digestive tract, can contribute to better gut health. Consuming flaxseed oil may help soothe digestive discomfort and support overall gastrointestinal function. Skin nourishment and beauty. Flaxseed oil isn't just beneficial for your insides, it also offers remarkable advantages for your skin. Its rich fatty acid profile helps maintain skin hydration and elasticity. Topical application of flaxseed oil can soothe dry, irritated skin and may help manage conditions such as eczema and psoriasis. Additionally, the oil's antioxidant properties can protect the skin from environmental damage, promoting a healthy, youthful complexion. Hormonal balance. Flaxseed oil may also play a role in hormonal balance, particularly for women. The lignans found in flaxseed oil have been shown to have phytoestrogenic properties, which can help modulate estrogen levels in the body. This can be especially beneficial for women experiencing hormonal fluctuations during menstruation or menopause. Including flaxseed oil in your diet may help alleviate symptoms such as hot flashes and mood swings. Potential cancer-fighting properties. Emerging research suggests that flaxseed oil may have potential cancer-fighting properties. Some studies indicate that the lignans and omega-3 fatty acids in flaxseed oil could inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells, particularly breast and prostate cancer. While more research is needed to draw definitive conclusions, these findings are promising and highlight the potential of flaxseed oil as a complementary approach to cancer prevention. How to incorporate flaxseed oil into your diet. Incorporating flaxseed oil into your diet is simple and versatile. It can be used as a salad dressing, drizzled over cooked vegetables, or added to smoothies for an extra nutritional boost. However, it's important to note that flaxseed oil should not be used for cooking at high temperatures, as this can degrade its beneficial properties. Conclusion. Flaxseed oil is a nutritional powerhouse that offers a myriad of health benefits, from supporting heart health and reducing inflammation to promoting digestive wellness and nourishing the skin. This oil is a valuable addition to any diet. Whether you're looking to enhance your overall health or manage specific conditions, flaxseed oil is worth considering. Embrace the healing potential of this golden elixir and unlock its benefits for a healthier, happier you.